So we're at the top of Sky Hill. It's a short takeoff in case anybody wondered. It's only about 75 feet. So we have the Ottawa car. It's a 86 Saturn or something like that. Or 90 something, no, 90 something Saturn. And we hope it's aimed for this like grassy knoll where it can fly off there, go off that bump, and die a glorious death. Or maybe take out some of those innocent victims. So let's do it.
Yeah, let's do it. Well, it's a good thing my bike wasn't there. Oh! We have some thrashing and damage.
Yeah.
Is he gonna hit her? Sweet eyes.
Oh, that's fucking awesome.
Pickup truck.
Hey, what the hell? You broke my truck!
Hey, you got, yeah.
Oh my god. How come the truck looks worse than the Saturn?
I don't know.
I think Saturns must be tough.
They're all built out of plastic.
Yeah. My truck was built like a plastic, but it's broke.
Fucking lawn furniture.
Oh my god. What a piece of shit. Yeah, the rat is leaking.
Yeah.
Oh well.
There's a couple seconds of me getting out of the way, but other than that, it's good.
I thought the bow tie fared.
Oh well.
Oh, she won't come out of there now, eh, Dave?
It's just stuck. It just needs a little tug.
Post the four-wheeler up.
Every time we break down, we always call a Ford to the rescue.
Hey, no problem.
Alrighty. Get her done.
Got her dead.
Alrighty. We got her done. Whoa! Holy crap, that was a close call. Yeah, close call. Yeah. Did you hear me screaming?
Yeah.
Nah, it looks good. I'm gonna leave it there for a little while. Looks good. Yeah. I don't want that car pulled out. It looks good. The sun sets over my car now.
Push it off the hill again?
Hi, Jamie.
I get in there, I'll shove her off.
I tell you one thing, that Chevy truck ain't too tough. She's leaking Martian piss. Front end's just destroyed. And the Saturn looks just the same. All we did was break one taillight that was already broken. Big deal. Okay, get bent. Ah, no worse for the wear. Saved again by a Ford.
Full water, I'm not getting in there. Oh!
Oh, you can go in there. Come on, no problem. Yeah, give her shit. Reverse donuts. Oops. Oops. Where'd your car go? causing some cattage. Yeah, I see some random cattage. Yeah, connection. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, shit.
By a freaking
Oh, yeah.